Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Amit, and today we are discussing about real numbers, the first chapter of our class 10th. In this chapter we are discussing about Euclid's division lemma, Euclid's division algorithm, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, revisiting irrational number and revisiting rational number and decimal expansions. So start our first topic, Euclid's division lemma. Now Euclid division lemma. In simple word, Euclid division lemma is A is equal to BQ plus R. Here R is always be greater than equal 0 and less than B. आया कुछ समझ में? नहीं आया होगा. सो इसको समझने के लिए हमें जाना पड़ेगा 4th या 5th क्लास में. इंटरेस्टिंग है ना? सो स्टार्ट. 4th 5th क्लास में टीचर्स ने हमें पढ़ाया होगा डिवीज़न मेथड, डिवाइड करना. मतलब इफ जैसे 9 में डिवाइड करते हैं 4 का, देन 8 डिवाइड बाय 2 टाइम्स 8 एंड रिमाइंडर 1. मीन्स दिस इज कॉल्ड dividend and this is called divisor, and that's called quotient, and the last is called रिमाइंडर. ये डिवाइड करना टीचर्स ने सिखाया था. फिर इसका क्रॉस चेकिंग भी सिखाया था. एक 5th क्लास 4th क्लास में सीखा होगा. वो क्या था कि अगर हमें ये वापस से चेक करना है डिवाइड सही किया है या गलत, तो क्या करते हैं, 9 इक्वल इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई 4 इंटू 2 प्लस में जो रिमाइंडर आया है वो. अगर ये दोनों इक्वल आते हैं तो हमारा डिवाइड सही है, इक्वल नहीं आते हैं तो डिवाइड गलत है. इट मीन्स फॉर दिस हमें बताया गया था दैट इज डिविडेंड इक्वल डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई क्यूसेंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. एंड दिस स्टेटमेंट we used in Euclid division lemma. How? If we put for dividend is equal A, then if we let divisor is equal B, quotient is equal Q and remainder is equal R. And हमें सर ने ये भी बताया होगा क्लासेस में, छोटी क्लासेस में बताते हैं कि कभी भी रिमाइंडर की वैल्यू किससे बड़ी नहीं हो सकती, डिवाइजर से बड़ी नहीं हो सकती. इट मीन्स R इज ऑलवेज बी लेस देन B एंड ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल 0. सो दिस इज आवर यूक्लिड डिवीजन lemma. From this we can write its statement. So what is a statement? Is if any two positive integers a and b there exist two unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r, where r is always be greater than or equal 0 and less than b. So how we write its statement? By on this we can write its statement. How? If any two positive integers a and b, first if any two positive integer a and b, there exists two other unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, and r always be less than b and greater than or equal 0, and r always be greater than equal 0 less than divisor, it means b. So this is our Euclid division lemma, which is very simple. जिस चीज़ को हम 4th 5th क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं उसी का नाम बदल कर क्या दिया है यहाँ पे, यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा. फ्रॉम हेल्प ऑफ दिस लेमा वी कैन सॉल्व मैनी एग्जाम्पल्स. सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल नाउ. सो our example is show that every positive even integers is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integers is of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integers. Before solving this, we are discussing about this. The question is given that 2q and 2q plus 1, and this is we are proving even, and this will be prove. This will be proved even and this will be proved odd. How? In this we can say that value of b is equal 2. From this we can say that value of equal b is equal 2. So how we start it? Our solution is let the positive integer a and b is equal to. So a is equal to q, b is equal now according to question. Use Euclid's division lemma. So A is equal to 2q plus r for there, and r is equal greater than 0 and less than b. Than b. So either r is equal 0 and r is equal 1. Now case first, r is equal 0, then a is equal 2q plus 0. It means a is equal 2q. In this 2 into multiply. Now 2q and 2q is a even. How? Just because 2 multiply integers, and that is equal always be even integers. Same in case second, r is equal 2 and that a is equal to 2q plus 1. In this even integers plus odd integers is always odd is always odd integers. Now the last line is so from case first and second we can say that 2q is even integers and 2q plus 1 is an odd integers. from case first and second. Tokyo is equal E1 and Tokyo plus 1 is odd integers, and that's the solution. Again I repeat it, so that every positive even integers is of the form 2q, and that every positive odd integers is of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integers. Solution: let the positive integers a and b is equal to from this, and this to bq plus r in form. Now according to question, use Euclid division lemma, and a is equal to 2q plus r, and r is equal n greater than 0 and less than b. So either r is equal 0 and r is equal 1. In first case we can take case first, r is equal 0. So a is equal 2q plus 0 and a is equal 2q. If any integers is multiplied by 2, that is the solution is always be even. So that is the even integer. Same case second, r is equal, sorry, there is no 2, there is 1, sorry. Case second, r is equal 1, then the a is equal 2q plus 1 and even plus odd number. It means 2q is even and plus 1 is odd. So even plus odd integer is always be odd integer, and from first equation we prove that 2q is a even integer, and from second we prove that 2q q plus 1 is a odd integer. So case first and second, from the case first and second, 2q equal even and 2q plus 1 is a odd integer. This is our solution. Same, the next example is so that any positive odd integers is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3, where q is some integers. In this we can say that the value of b in Euclid division lemma is 4. So the solution is let a is any positive odd integers, and the value of b is equal 4. Now using Euclid division lemma, we know that a is equal to bq plus r, and here b is equal 4. There r is less than b and greater than or equal 0. So it means value of r is equal to less than b, it means value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Oh, now case first. Case first. So A is equal to BQ. It means 4Q plus R. R is first value is 0. So we can put 0 here, and its value is 4Q, and 4Q can be write in 2 into 2Q form. And if 2 multiply by any integer, it means it is an even integers, and we assume that we let that is any odd integer. So this is not our assumptions. So this is not our assumptions. Now case second. In this, A is equal to 4Q plus value of R is 1. Now this is even and this is odd. So even plus odd integer is equal odd integers. Now case third, and in this case A is equal to 4Q plus R is equal 2. So 2 common, 2Q plus 1, and it is also even integers. Now this is not our assumption. Now last, the case 4, and in this A is equal to 4Q plus R is equal to 3, and this is odd and even, and odd and even number is always even plus and that is odd. So this is an odd integers. Now from the case first and third, these are our contradict assumptions, and case second and fourth are our odd integers. So from case second and fourth, that is these are 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are positive odd integers. This is our solution. I will repeat again. So that any positive odd integers is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3, where q is some integers. So in this we can say that the value of b is equal to 4 from the question. So let a is any positive odd integers and b is equal to 4. Using Euclid division lemma, we know that a is equal to 4q plus r, and r is always less than b and greater than or equal to 0. So r value of r is equal 0, 1, 2 and 3. Case first, a is equal to 4q plus the first value of r is 0, so it is 4q, and it is right in 2 into 2q. If any integers is multiplied by 2, that is always be even integers. So this is not our assumption, because we assume that a is any positive odd integers. Now case second, 4q plus 1. So 4q is even and 1 is odd. So this even plus odd is always odd integers. And third case, a is equal to 4q plus 2. 2 common, 2q plus 1, and 2 multiplied by any integers is always even integer. So this is not our assumption, because we assume that a is equal odd integers. Now case 4, a is equal to 4q plus 3. 4q is even and 3 is odd. So odd, or even plus odd is equal odd integers. So from the case second and fourth, 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are positive odd integers. Hope you get some knowledge from this video. So like, share this video and subscribe my channel. In the next video we are discussing about more examples of Euclid division lemma. So stay home, keep learning. Thank you.